Stop saying old. An old building? No, a historic building. Old furniture? No, antique furniture. Old person? No, elderly person. Old friend? No, long-time friend. Old tradition? No, time-honored tradition. Old car? No, vintage car. Old idea? No, outdated idea. Old doesn't always mean the same thing. Context changes everything. Describing someone's car. He drives an old car now becomes he drives a vintage car. One sounds broken, the other sounds cool. The words you choose shape how people see the entire picture.